Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Explore website. First, open your web browser and go to Explore. Garmin.com. You'll then log in with your existing Garmin account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a new account in just a few minutes. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which typically displays your devices and recent activities. This is your central hub for managing all your outdoor adventures. Next, let's dive into managing your valuable outdoor data. The Garmin Explore website allows you to effortlessly upload and download detailed maps, ensuring you always have the right information, even offline. You can create and organize an unlimited number of waypoints, routes, and tracks directly on the platform. Take advantage of the editing tools to refine your saved data, perhaps adjusting a route by a few hundred feet or adding notes to a specific waypoint. Now, let's talk about seamlessly connecting your adventures between the website and your physical device. You can easily connect your compatible Garmin device, such as an inReach or GPS handheld, to the Explore platform. This allows you to sync all your carefully planned routes and tracks directly to your device, ready for your next journey. Conversely, transfer your recorded activities from your device back to the website for detailed review and archiving. Finally, let's explore some advanced features and helpful tips to enhance your Garmin Explore experience. Make use of the Collections feature to group related waypoints and routes, keeping your data incredibly organized. You can also easily share your outdoor data, like a challenging 10-mile hike, with friends and family directly from the platform. Remember to check the support section for comprehensive articles and troubleshooting guides, ensuring you get the most out of your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.